Today we're going to learn how to use our online designer tool to create a mock-up for a stall guard. We need to scroll to the bottom of the page here and go over some of the tools available to you in the designer that would be helpful to get some more background. So we'll first go into the colors. The colors, we have standard and Sombrella, and we'll look here at the standard colors, which are very popular. Next, we'll go look at our Sombrella colors. These are our premium colors, and they're useful to expand the color palette for your stall guard. And also, the caveat here is you can have the stall guard match stall drapes, which is awesome. It creates a nice coordinated look at your show barn when you go to the shows or the horse races. Additionally, if there's a color here that's not shown, if you can send us the Pantone number, we'll be happy to use that as well. Next, we'll go into our horse logos. We help you design your logo, and that includes the vector art. As you can see here, we've created a lot of logos in the past, and we have more. If you'd like to click here on Load More for review. And if for some reason you're lost for a logo idea, you can leverage our stock art. And these are by breed and are very popular. We add these to our tack trunks and stall guards, and sometimes your name as well. Next, I'd like to go into our lettering and borders. With the lettering, the most popular is our 3-letter monogram. And here you can see we have an array of nice choices. We can also add breed logos to your design. Another thing that we add are borders. The borders would be on the outer side of the product. Most popular is our notch border. In this particular design, it's done in Diane script with 3-letter monogram. Here at the bottom we have some custom fonts and standard fonts. If you'd like to have them added to your stall guards, we're welcome to accommodate that inside our designer tool. Next, I want to take you to our array of tools we have here so you can create your own mock-ups if you choose to do so. From A to Z, you can create a bench tack box all the way down to our vinyl medicine chest. And if you want to get fancy and create some stall guards, over here on the left hand side will be where you'd want to go. The purpose of this video is to talk about how to create a stall. You put your logo on a stall guard. So here we go. We click on the stall guard designer tool, and it will launch here in just a second. On the tool, please note that on the left-hand side, it will reflect your choices on the right-hand side. The natural progression to design your stall guard would be steps 1 through 5. However, you can go ahead and mix and match the steps as appropriate. So the first thing we want to do is add our logo. So you go here, add your logo. I have local on my PC. Next, we're going to add a border, and we're going to do piping as well. Now we're going to clean up the colors. The main color for this stall guard will be navy. Next, we want to embellish on the border, so we're going to make it light gray. And then we're going to add piping. See, now we have a nice stall guard. For this particular stall guard, I don't see the need to add any more text or lettering, so we're not going to do that. But if you want to play around and try some other logos, they're here as well in step 5. And also, if you'd like to see a closer close-up of the image, you can do this for your stall guard. Our magnifier here brings up the artwork a little bit closer for review. The next thing you'd like to do if you'd want to get a quote for this stall guard is to click here on Request a Quote. Here is your cart of what you selected. You click here, Proceed to Send Quote. You fill in your information here. Then you click on Send Quote for processing. That concludes our training today. If you have any questions, just give us a call or send an email. And thank you for your time today.